Good morning to you once again. I'm meteorologist Mike Hoffman, and welcome back to Ag Day. We have some weak weather systems moving through the northern tier of states. This first front coming into the western Great Lakes cause a few scattered showers or sprinkles as we head through the day today across the Great Lakes. Storm system off the eastern seaboard causing a little bit of high surf along the east coast, but that's about it. Most of that system offshore. Turning our attention to the west, there's going to be multiple systems coming in out west, eventually forming a pretty big storm system, and that's going to be causing some activity in the form of rain and snow in the higher elevations. That will continue to move east, as you see, and high pressure really dominating most of the southern tier of states. A little bit of moisture coming into southern New Mexico could touch off a few scattered showers, mainly during the afternoon and evening hours, but you can see that even heads through the day tomorrow as well. Those multiple systems continuing to come eastward, and that will bring a really true shot of cold air to the northwest first of all, and eventually farther east as we head through the rest of this Thanksgiving week. And take a look at precipitation estimates over the past 24 hours. Very little east of the far northwest, as you can see, just a couple of spots here and there. Most of the activity out west with some decent amounts of rain and obviously mountain snows along the west coast. Adding on the next 24 hours, we'll continue to add the activity out west. And we're not going to add much anywhere else, as you can see. Just a few spots might get 1/10 of an inch in southern New Mexico. Snowfall estimates over the past 24 hours, it's all in the northern Rockies. We'll add on the next 24 hours, and we'll continue to add to that. So great skiing conditions in the northern Rockies this time of the year, and it looks like you're going to be getting plenty of snow and already have. High temperatures today, you can see in the western plains, 60s, 70s, even a few low 80s in parts of Texas. 50s and 60s through the Great Lakes, which is balmy for this time of the year. As we head into tonight then, we're still going to stay mild. Ohio Valley, Tennessee Valley, southward. A few 30s showing up in the central plains behind the next front, and the really cold air still just north of the Canadian border, but starting to trickle in behind those fronts into the northern Rockies. And taking a look at the jet stream as we head into Thursday. A big trough off the east coast, a little ridge in the Ohio Valley. There's the trough that kind of digs through the Great Lakes and into the northeast as we head toward the weekend. Slowly, you can see that jet stream coming farther south. That means colder and colder air coming into the northern tier of states in the next week. That's a look across the country. Now let's take a look at some local forecasts. First of all, for Salem, Oregon, breezy with rain, high temperature of 53 degrees. Taking a look at Tulsa, Oklahoma, partly sunny skies, a high all the way up to 71. And finally, Buffalo, New York, a mix of clouds and sun, a high around 53.